This video right here, I made the whole thing using Claude Code. The script, the animations, the audio editing, even the upload. Let me show you how. First thing you need is Remotion. It's a framework that lets you build videos using code. But you don't need to know how it works. Claude Code handles that part. To set it up, you run one command, npx space skills add space remotion-deb/skills. That gives you Claude Code everything it needs to build videos for you. I opened Claude Code and told it what video I wanted to make. A tutorial about building a luxury watch website. I described the scenes I had in mind and the style I was going for. Claude Code came back with a full scene breakdown, how long each scene should be, what visuals to show, and the others should go in. Took about 15 minutes to get the whole structure locked down. Next, I told Claude Code to write the script. I have a writing skill set up that makes sure everything sounds natural. No robotic AI language, just normal conversational writing. It wrote the whole script, scene by scene. I read it, tweaked a few lines, and it was done. I recorded the voiceover in one take. Just read the script straight through. If I mess up a line, I pause and reread it. Then I handed the raw recording to Claude Code. It found all the pauses, split the audio into separate clips for each scene, removed the bad takes, and cleaned everything up. Took about 30 seconds. This is the part that feels like magic. I told Claude Code to build the video, and it created every scene as code. Animations, transitions, text overlays, audio sync to visuals, all of it. You can preview each scene in your browser before rendering. If something doesn't look right, you just tell Claude Code to fix it and it updates the code. When everything looks good, I told Claude Code to render the final video. One command. It churned through all of the frames and gave me an MP4 file ready for YouTube upload. Then I told it to upload. It set the title, wrote the description, added the tags, and published it. I reviewed everything before it went live, but the whole process was handled by Claude Code. That's the whole process. One tool, start to finish. You don't need Premiere. You don't need After Effects. You don't even need to know how to code. If you want to try this, the setup instructions and everything I use are linked in the description. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'll keep building the stuff for you.